So if I have 4 to the x equal to 8, the base here is 4 and the base here is 8. That's not good. So the bases you're usually picking are 2, 3, 5, 7, the prime numbers. So 2 is the obvious example here. I can change them both into 2. So 4 is 2 squared, so that's 2 squared x. And 8 is 2 cubed. And now you go, I have an equivalent statement here that if this is equal to each other, then this must equal this. And I can just ignore the bases and just work on the bit I need to solve. So x must be 3 over 2. Does that follow? Okay, and then they can obviously get a little bit more complicated, like this second example. X minus 2 equal 1/3. We just have to be, the pick of the base is pretty obvious here. Maybe 3 is my base, the prime number that works. So 9 is going to be 3 squared. Maybe let's just take a second on this one. We'll write it out properly. 3 squared x minus 2. And this one, it's 1/3, but I prefer if the 3 was in the numerator. So that's 3 to the minus 1, yes. So just make sure to spread the 2 across both these when I multiply. So I have 3 to the 2x minus 4 is equal to 3 to the minus 1. Here's my equivalent statement again. I can say that this equals that, and therefore I can solve it now just using the powers. So I get, is the same answer, is it? Yeah. Fantastic. So x is 3 over 2. And we'll do one more example, and then you guys practice this one. So I have this, which looks like a quadratic equation to me. So I want to find out where this one crosses which axis are we finding when we let it equal 0 like this? The x-axis, yes. So we find out where it crosses the x-axis. Okay, what's my first step?
4 into 2.
Yeah, 4 into 2 to the power of 2. So that's 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 to the x minus 20. If you don't like the look of this, you can do that variable exchange thing where you call a 2 to the x. So that's going to be a squared plus a minus 20. And then that's probably maybe easier to look at. A, and we know it's 5 times 4 gives 20. I think the plus needs to go with the 5, the minus with the 4. Yes. And do remember when we finish this, Charlize, that the signs are going to be the other way around when we finish. So that's going to be a is equal to positive 4, and this is a is equal to negative 5. But a isn't a is 2 to the power of x. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 4, which means I still haven't finished, and I know I'm going sideways. So what's x?
2.
X is going to be 2 from this, because 2 squared gives 4.
How?
Because I'm trying to fit in. You try writing on the board. 2 to the power of x is equal to negative 5. So what's the value for x here? No solution. Yeah, there we go. We mentioned it over here. You can't get a negative number out of any power. So it's not this one. That's an imaginary number. This is my only solution to the equation. Only when x is 2 does it have a value equal to 0. Okay, time for you guys.